long multiplication. Pause the video and have a go at examples 5 and 6. Example 5, we've got 72 and we're multiplying that by 39. So we do 9 times 2 is 18, write down the 8 and carry over the 1. 9 times 7 is 63, plus the 1 gives you 64. We then multiply by 3. Strictly speaking, we should say we're multiplying by 30. So because we're multiplying by 30, we put down the 0, and then we just think of it as multiplying by 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 7 is 21. We then add these two results. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 6 is 10, carry over 1, 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8, and 2 at the front, 2,808. Example 6, find 23 times 451. It's usually easier to write down the bigger number on the top and multiply by the smaller number. So I'm going to multiply by 23. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then 3 times 5 is 15. So write down the 5, carry over the 1. And then 3 times 4 is 12, plus the 1 is 13. We're then multiplying by the 2, or we should say 20. So we actually put down a 0, times it by 10, and then just multiply by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So put down a 0 and carry over the 1. It's different to this one, so we have a different location for this. We put it over here. And then 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 we've carried over is 9. Add the two results. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So we get 10,373.